I'm going to talk about upcoming pattern. Let's look at weather warning. There is no weather warning, so let's look at pressure patterns starting from Southern Ontario. So 1012 millibars of pressure, 1012 millibars of pressure. Let's look at next hour, which is let's go to next hour, which is August the 1st. So by tomorrow, the average temperature is going to be dropped. So 1012 millibars of pressure, 1008 millibars of pressure. Let's go to the next tower, which is August 3rd. So 1008, 1012, 1016 millibars of pressure, 1012, like 1008 mostly. So the average is going to be 1010. So it's Southern Ontario. So let's go to next tower, which is August 3rd. So 1012, 1012. 1012 millibars of pressure. So this year's there's gonna be El Nino. So let's look at August the 4th. Is something 1060 millibars of pressure. Let's look at precipitation patterns starting from 8 p.m. Collingwood, Alabama, Puebla, Seoul, Georgia is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 11 p.m. Puebla, Seoul, Georgia, those are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 8 a.m. There's nothing else. Coburg is going to be 6.25 millimeters. Thunder Beach is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. So let's go to 11 a.m. So Coburg, 6.25 millimeters. Peterborough is going to be 6.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 2 p.m. There is something Palm Beach and land. Or some Pearlton on our Betty or the is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 5 p.m. There is something White Town Pearlton on our Palm Beach and land. I'm in land. Georgia Beverly is Betty is going to be 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. The last 2.5 millimeters and land's going to be 2.5. Let's go to 8 p.m. There is something. Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Mainland, Adela, Betty, Beverly, Georgia. Those are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 11 p.m. There is something. Line said Obi, White and Brazil, Hanover. Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Salaby, Mainland, Adela is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, including Hamilton. So let's go to 8 a.m. There is something. Hoopsie, line says 2.5 millimeters. Palm Beach gonna be 605 millimeters, 2.5. Thunder Beach 2.5. Walala 2.5. Cobra, Peterborough, Belfast 2.5 millimeters. Niagara and Lake Niagara Falls is gonna get some 12.5 millimeters. Hamilton is gonna get some 6.25. Oakville, the area is over 12.5. Light is going to be 2.5. Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Uxbridge, Peterborough, Dawson, Saginaw, some 0.25, 6.25 millimeters of rainfall, including Coburg. Peterborough doesn't count. So since August is going to be 12.5, Georgia, Babylon, Betty, 6.25, let's go to Palm Beach. Boylston, Ottawa is going to be 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, Collingwood, 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 11 a.m. There is something. Line said, Obi, Whiteton, Hanover is going to get some 0.25 millimeters for Austin 2.5, Palm Beach, and last 6.25, Thunder Beach, South Beach 2.5. Niagara Lake is going to be 12.5 millimeters. That's the lightest. Heaviest 80.75. Say Niagara Falls City, heaviest 25 millimeters, 80.75 is Niagara Falls City. So Chisaga, Brampton, Orangeville is going to be 12.5 millimeters of rainfall. Toronto, Richmond, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville is going to be 2.5 millimeters, 6.95 millimeters. Oshawa, Uxbridge, Peterborough, Coburg is going to get some baddies. Those are going to be 6.25. Alala is 0.2.5 millimeters. Belvoir is going to be 6.25. Oku, heaviest 12.5 light is going to be 6.25. So let's go to Beverly, Georgia. It's going to be 12.80.75 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to the next tower, which is 2 p.m. This something. Stabilizer Jordania is 80.75, but he's going to be 6.5. The last going to be 2.5. Thunder Beach is going to get some. Thunder Beach going to get some 0.95. Salamis 2.5. White I hope so it's going to be 2.5. Boylston is going to be 2.5. I know it's going to get some 0.25. Cotton 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. Coburg 6.5. Peterborough is going to be 2/5. So Oku, Amethyst, Sissaga, Brampton, Orange, Toronto, Ridgeland, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stoffel. Those cities are going to be 2.5 millimeters. That's why it's going to be 6.25 lightest. The heaviest going to be, that's the heaviest. Light is going to be 2/5. So Belleville's going to get some 80.75 millimeters of rainfall. So let's go to Niagara on the Lake. 6.25 Niagara City is going to be 12.5 millimeters of rainfall. So Uxbridge is going to get some 6.25 millimeters. So let's go to Illa. It's going to be 6.25 millimeters. Lines is going to be 0.25 millimeters. Let's go to next hour, which is 5 p.m. Whitetown, Hobbs, Boylston, Oliver, Super 5. Thornaby, Sotheby is going to be 2.5 millimeters. Cobra, Peterborough, 0.25 millimeters, 2.5. Tottenham, Beverly, Berry, Alala is going to be 2.5 millimeters. Niagara City is 0.25 millimeters. So Oshawa is going to get some 6.25 millimeters. That's the heaviest light. It's going to be 2.5 millimeters. Uxbridge is going to get some 2.5 millimeters, 6.25 millimeters. Scarborough, Stoffel, Sissaga, Brampton, Orange, Toronto, Richmond, Newmarket, Oku, Amethyst 0.25 millimeters, including line set. Collingwood is going to be 2.5 millimeters. So let's go to Belleville. It's going to be 12.5 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to the next hour, which is 8 p.m. Day Sunday. Palm Beach. Those is going to get some 6.25 on the beach, Salabay, Georgia, Beverly, Berry, Olala, Cooper, Peterborough, Belleville. Those is going to get some Niagara Falls is going to get some 0.2.5 millimeters of rainfall. Looks it's going to be 2/5 Oshawa, heaviest 6.5 lies 2/5. Oku, Edmonton, Sissaga, Brampton, Orange, Toronto, Richmond, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stoffel, going to be line set over Whiteham, Toyota, and Ottawa 0.91 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour, which is it last going to be 80.75 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. There is something. Collingwood, Palm Beach, Olala, Betty, Oku, not Oku, Hamilton, Niagara City, Belleville. It's going to get some 0.2.1 millimeters. So Sissaga, Brampton, Orange, Toronto, Richmond, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stoffel, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Georgia, Beverly is 0.25. Goldberg is going to be 2/5. Peterborough is going to be 0.25. Belleville is going to be 2/5. So Hardware is going to get some Thunderbee. Solid is going to be 0.1 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to the next hour, which is 8 a.m. This something. So Niagara capacity Oku Hamilton parts of it. It's going to be 0.25 millimeters of rainfall in parts of local, including Hamilton, Niagara capacity. Let's go to 11 a.m. So Niagara capacity it's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 2 p.m. Niagara capacity 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 5 p.m. This not because 8 p.m. This not because 7 p.m. This not because 8 a.m. 8 a.m. The 8 p.m. 0.25 millimeters of rainfall is in 0.25 millimeters of rainfall is in Niagara City, parts of it. 11 p.m. Hamilton, parts of Oakville, Niagara City, parts of Niagara on the lake. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's look at total precipitation. We don't snowfall, sleep, freezing sleep. So let's look at 8 p.m. August the 1st. So Y times 2 millimeters, Collingwood 3 millimeters, Hope 0.6, Line 0.7, Palm Beach 1 millimeters, Sidlas 3 millimeters, Solid Bay is going to be, Thunder Bay is going to get some 0.5 millimeters, Georgia 1 millimeters, Beverly is 2 millimeters, Betty is going to be with 2 millimeters, Peterborough 7 millimeters, Coldborough 3 millimeters. So let's go to the next hour, which is 8 p.m. August the 2nd. So White 90 millimeters, Collingwood 90 millimeters. Hope says 60 millimeters. Line says gonna get some 8 millimeters. Palm Beach going to get some 28 millimeters. Solid Bay is going to get some 26 millimeters of rainfall. So Thunder Beach going to get some 12 millimeters. Everywhere Air Force going to be mean average of 9.5 degree millimeters. Hamilton Oakles 80 millimeters. Oakle Dryas it's going to be 22 millimeters of rainfall. 21 millimeters Brant, 90 millimeters Topher, 50 millimeters Tata, 40 millimeters car. Bro is going to get some 40.5 millimeters. The market owns 80 millimeters, Hooks with 27 millimeters, Hasha 19 millimeters. 70 millimeters Peterborough Cobra for 25 millimeters Bravo, 33 millimeters. Dirty is going to be 27 millimeters. Babylon is going to be 27 millimeters. 26. Betty's going to get some 22 millimeters. Alala's going to get some. So Alala's going to be 90 millimeters of rainfall. So Coburg 25 millimeters of rainfall. So let's go to the export. It's going to be 70 millimeters. Hanover is going to get some 60 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to the next tower, which is Itland's going to get some 30 millimeters. So 31 millimeters of rainfall and 32 millimeters in Itland. So let's go to next tower, which is 24 hours after that, which is August the 3rd. So everyone have 3.5 millimeters Cobra, 3 millimeters Peterborough, 0.7 millimeters Babel, 2 millimeters Brampton, 1 millimeters Sississauga, 1 millimeters Darrata, 1 millimeters Newmarket, Orange, 2 millimeters Scarborough is going to be 0.8 millimeters. Topher is going to be 0.6 millimeters. So Georgina is going to get some 0.8 millimeters. Babylon is going to be 9 millimeters. 0.9 Barry's 2 millimeters. Solid 2 millimeters. Palm Beach 0.7 inland 1 millimeters. So Solid Bay is going to be 0.6 millimeters. So Oracle is going to be no, that's Hamilton. Hamilton 4 millimeters. That's heavy. So Oracle heavy is going to be 4 millimeters. Light is going to be 1 millimeters. Collingwood 2 millimeters. So let's go to the next stop. Shabbat is going to be 0.6 millimeters, 0.5 millimeters, 0.5 millimeters of rainfall, 0.6 actually. 0.7 millimeters in Uxbridge. So let's go to the next tower, which is. So let's go to 8 p.m. August the 4th. So Nag velocity is going to be 0.7 millimeters. That's the lightest. Heavy is going to be 0.3 millimeters of rainfall. Let's look at air temperature pattern London. So let's look at air temperature pattern. August the 1st. So White 20 degrees, Hope say 20 degrees, that's 19, 20.5. Line say 20 degrees, Collingwood 21 degrees, Palm Beach 22, Solid Beach 22, Inland, the Stone Beach is 22, Solid Beach going to be 21 degrees. So everywhere there was 21.5, Hamilton Oak 21 degrees, Banter 22, Sissaka 21, Darren 21, Stover 21, Scarborough is going to be 21, 21.5. Newmarket, Orange 20 degrees, Hooksville 22, 20 degrees, Oslo 20 degrees, Peterborough 90 degrees, Coburg 90 degrees, Bravo 20 degrees. Georgina's going to get some 22 degrees, Eddie's going to get some 20 degrees, Beverly Hills is going to be 19 degrees. 21 degrees, Atlanta's going to be 21 degrees, so let's go to the tower. Port Arthur's 21, Hanover's going to be 21.5 degrees, so let's go to the tower, which is 3 p.m. August the 1st, so Port Olsen's going to be 23. Hanover's going to be 23. White to 24. Hoops is going to get some 23 degrees. Hoops line says going to be 24 degrees. Collingwood's going to be 23 degrees. Bombay's going to get some 25 degrees. Alderby's 24. Dunneby's going to get some 23. And Line's going to be 22. Everyone now for Nag on the lake 28 degrees. 31 degrees in Nag. Falsity Amateur Local 34. Local warmer 33. 6. Sissag 26 Brampton, 30 degrees Topher, 30 degrees Scarborough, 28 degrees Durham, 26 degrees Newmarket, Orange 29 degrees Silksmith, 28 degrees South, 27 degrees Peterborough, 27 degrees Coburg, 24 degrees Belfort, 28 degrees Tortina's gonna need 23 degrees. Paris 21 degrees, Adela 21 degrees, Beverly Hills is gonna be 24 degrees, 23. So let's go to London. Let's go to next head. 3 p.m. Line said it's going 25. So let's go to next tower, which is 70 and it is something. Why temperatures in Hanover is 20 degrees, 90 degrees in Hanover. So Hope said it's going to be 20.5 degrees. Line said it's going to be 20 degrees. So Line said obey. Beach going to get some 90 degrees. Solid Bay is going to be 21 degrees. Sunny Bay is going to be 21 degrees. Everywhere now was 20 degrees, Hamilton Local 20 degrees, Banter 20 degrees, Sissaka 20 degrees, Zanata 20 degrees, Topher 90 degrees, Scarborough 20 degrees, Newmarket, Orange 90 degrees, Hooksville 90 degrees, Sasha 20 degrees, Peterborough 90 degrees, Coburg 21 degrees, Belfort 20 degrees, Chutney 21 degrees. It is going to be 20 degrees. Babylon, it's going to be 20 degrees. Adela's going to get some 20 degrees. So Ireland's going to get some 19.5 degrees. So let's go to London. Hollywood 90 degrees. So let's go to 3 p.m. August the 2nd. So White 20 degrees, Boreals 20 degrees, Anyway 20 degrees, Hope it's gonna be 20 degrees, that's 19. 9 said 20 degrees, Collingwood 20 degrees, Bombay it's gonna be 22 degrees, 21. Sotheby 21, 2 degrees, Sunderby is gonna be 21 degrees. Everywhere in Airport 25, 4.5 degrees, Hamilton Oakville 21 degrees, Oakville 21 degrees, Banter 23, Sistofer 21, Scarborough 22, Durham 21, Newmarket, Owensville 21, Uxbridge 21, Oxford 22, Peterborough 22, Coburg 21, Belvoir 22, Georgina 21, 22. Beverly Hills 21 degrees. Betty 20 degrees. Sutherland 21 degrees. Inland 21 degrees. So let's go to the next tower, which is Oko warmest gonna be 21 degrees. Go to south. Let's go to next tower, which is 7 a.m. This Sunday, August the 3rd. So what's in 2017? 2017 is a nice little Bay. Port Elgin 2018. Hanover 2017. Collingwood 2018. Bromley 2018. Sotheby 2018. Thunder Beach 2019. So everywhere in Niagara Falls 20.5 degrees. Hamilton Oakville 20 degrees. Oakville 20 degrees. Brampton 2019. Stouffville 2018. Scarborough 2019. Toronto 2020. Newmarket 2018, Orange was 2017. So Uxbridge 70 degrees, Ashford 80, 90 degrees, Peterborough 80 degrees, Coburg 90 degrees, Elwood 90 degrees, Georgina is going to be 80 degrees, 19. Pavlia is going to be 80 degrees, Mary is going to be 70 degrees, Salala 70 degrees, Salala is going to be 70 degrees. So let's go to next verbs. Let's go to next verb, which is 3 p.m. August the 3rd. So Barton is going to get some 24 degrees. Boyle 24. Honor is going to be 26. Lingwood 22. Bombay 25. Sotheby's 26. Inland 26. Thunder Beach going to be 22 degrees. Everywhere was 23.5. Abbotsford Local 23. Or Sisaka 24. Bradford 27. Stover 27. Scarborough. Toronto 24. Scarborough 26. Newmarket Orange 25. Uxbridge 25. Ashford 25. Peterborough 26. Coburg 23. Belvoir 27. Titanium Babylon is 25 degrees. Betty 26. London is going to be 27 degrees. London. Hoops is going to be 20 degrees. Line is going to be 22 degrees. So let's go to next London. So let's go to next tower, which is 70 a.m. August the 4th. White 20 degrees, Hoops 20 degrees, Line 20 degrees, Power Horizons going to be 90 degrees, Hanover is going to be 80 degrees, Collingwood 90 degrees, Sotheby is 90 degrees, on beach going to be 80 degrees, Thunder Beach going to be 90 degrees, Sunlight 80 degrees, everywhere there falls any 1.5. Hamilton, Oakville 21, Brampton 20 degrees, Mississauga 21, Toronto 21, Scoville it's going to be 20 degrees, Scarborough 21, 20.5 degrees, so that's 21. Newmarket, Orangewood, 90 degrees, Uxbridge 20, Ashford 20 degrees, Peterborough 80 degrees, Coburg 21 degrees, Belvoir 90 degrees. Georgina. Georgina's coming 20 degrees, bad. He's coming 20 degrees, bad. That's 90 degrees. So let's go to the next la which is 90 degrees, 80 degrees. So let's go to Collingwood 90 degrees. So let's go to the next verb, which is to be a day Sunday. So why is it raining 86 degrees world? So 26 degrees on it, 27 degrees Collingwood 26. Bombay 26, Sotheby 26, Inland's gonna be 26. Thunder Beach going to be 25 degrees. So everywhere else also going to be 25.5 degrees. Hamilton Oakville 24. That's a warm, cold is no cold. Warm is going to be 24. Hamilton 22. Brampton 26. Tofu 26. Scarborough 25. Toronto 24. Sisaka 24 4 degrees. Newmarket Owensville 26. Uxbridge 26. Ashford 26. Peterborough 26. Coburg 24. Bible 24. 7. Chortina is going to be 26. Babylon is 26 degrees. So Betty is going to be 25 degrees. So let's look at Hope which is 19 degrees. Actually, it's going to be 23. So 23 degrees is in Hope Line's going to get, line says it's going to get some 25 degrees. So, so this is the end of the video. So this is the end of the video.